Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO version of Republic Studs. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Firstly, you are going to want to take the legs from Thanos. You are then going to want to take the torso from the 501st Trooper. The arms that I used come from Homer Simpson. The head comes from this Jester minifigure. And then the hair comes from this Fred Weasley minifigure. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. Overall, I'm quite happy with the way that this minifigure has turned out. Republic Studs was one of the main YouTubers that got me into LEGO Star Wars, so I have to thank him for that. If you have any ideas for a video that you would like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. I also made JB Bricks if you want to check out that video too, and I plan on doing more YouTubers in the future.